Hello, my name is Lukasz Gomila, and I'm a producer and a designer at the Bluedoor Games team.
Hi, I'm Kevin McKenna. I'm the environment artist for Among the Stones. We also have Roberto Mackin, our lead artist and character artist, and Rory Sweeney, who is our animator.
I'm Alberto Sayuti. I'm a game programmer at Bluedoor Games, along with James Wood and Sam Cummings, who are both game programmers like me, and Stefano Musumeci is the lead programmer. So the programming team is made of 4 people at Bluedoor Games.
In Among the Stones, you start as Laia, young adventurer washed up on a mysterious island. When you arrive, you will see that the island is inhabited by small rock people called Moriwa, and as you will find out, they will be following you and later on giving you powers to build structures like a stone block or a ball so you can be helped with progression on the level as well as solving the puzzles.
So the mechanics, we have them now kind of birthed from the PlayStation controller, so square being tower and circle being ball, and we always knew that we wanted to have creation mechanics, so a mechanic where the player could go about and alter the world as they see it, and use the altercation to navigate via platforming or solve an interesting puzzle.
So the game takes place on a multitude of mysterious islands that are inhabited by these small rock creatures called Moriwa. There's also ruins that cover the islands, hinting at some sort of previous civilization. So as you explore, you'll uncover more of the mystery of the island and solve the mystery as to how you got there, who you are, and who these rock people are.
The game genre of Among the Stones is a puzzle platformer. We are being inspired by classic platformers mixed with puzzle elements from games like Pikmin or Katamari Damacy, on top of the playfulness and the progression of the platformer like Jak and Daxter and games that we loved from where we were younger.
So for the style of the game, our lead artist Roberto went with really heavy blocky silhouettes and really flat tone matte colours, and I think that the combination of these two works really well for it.
We've decided to go with the Unreal Engine 4 because, first of all, it's really powerful and it's got a very nice feature, which is a kind of separation between how designers work and the importing the assets and how the coders work, because obviously we could have done the whole game in blueprints, but instead we decided to separate the creation of the game into C++ and blueprints and to expose the features that we want to be exposed for the designers through blueprints. And this also reflects kind of the workflow that they have in major studios, where there are tools programmers which create tools for designers and artists to use.
Our target development platforms are PC and PlayStation 4, and that's because Aberte is awesome enough to offer us a PlayStation 4 dev kits, so we can actually test and deploy our builds on PlayStation 4s.
For our target audience, we always wanted to go with the idea of fun over fighting, and that coupled with our Saturday morning cartoon visuals, we think that the 7+ range is fantastic for it.
Our game idea and game development have started from September, so it's been a couple of months, but where we are now, we're very proud about what we have at this moment. Having completed a couple of builds, we are very confident to having something amazing to show at the beginning of the summer. While our university prototype demo will consist of 3 small island clusters in one level, we believe that further on we can expand in many levels and many different puzzles, creating much bigger experience and actually enhancing everything else as well. Giving more time to polish things, we can create an amazing looking experience for everyone to enjoy.
Thank you for the opportunity, and we hope that you're excited about the game as much as we are, and we can't wait to show you more in our further prototype.